Today I share with you a simple Nigerian stew with turkey recipe that you will love. Like this video, leave your comment, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So I'll start by pouring some water into my bowl of turkey to get the turkey ready to be cleaned. Now I have my basket and a knife. So the purpose of the basket is to separate the clean turkey from the uncleaned one, and the knife is just to remove any extra hair or feather that I see on the turkey. As it is, this turkey is really clean, but that doesn't mean that you should not try to clean your turkey first before you decide if your turkey is really clean. Darling, clean your turkey. Okay, now after cleaning the turkey, I'll move on to chopping my onions. For this recipe, I'll be using a lot of onions, and make sure you watch this video to the end to see what I actually need so much onions for. I'll chop my onions and let me show you what it looks like. These are the chopped onions. I'll proceed to take some onions out of the blender to be used much later, and this is the reason why you should watch this video to the end. Now for the onions still in the blender, I'll go ahead and add some tomatoes, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper and cayenne pepper. After adding all of this, I would cover my blender and blend to get a rough texture. Let me show you what you should aim for. This is what you should be aiming for. Now, over to cooking. I'll pour my turkey into a pot, and then I'll proceed to add some of the onions I set aside earlier. Now it's time to season your turkey. So if you would like to see how I season my turkey, welcome. I'll add some seasoning. I'll also be adding some dried thyme, curry powder, nutmeg. Try this, it's a game changer, and salt. I'd add some water, about 2 cups of water, so that I can give my turkey some liquid to cook in. Okay, so after adding the water, I'd mix all of this up very, very, very well, and then I would cover and cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Yes, I like my foods properly cooked. Now after 15 minutes, it's time to take out the cooked turkey from the pot. The essence of that basket you see at the corner is to, help me drain out the turkey stock. Why? Because for the next step, I don't really want too much liquid to be on the turkey so that I don't have hot oil splashes. Yes, you heard, hot oil splashes. So the next step is frying the turkey. As I continue with this video, like I said earlier, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video and subscribe to this channel. You see, let me tell you something about this channel. This channel is a simple recipes YouTube channel, and by the way, that is the turkey stock which I'll be using much later. Over to the frying part, I'll pour some vegetable oil, or you can use your preferred cooking oil, but I'll be using vegetable oil into my frying pan, and I'll let this vegetable oil heat up very, very well. When it's hot enough, I'll proceed to put my turkey into the hot oil. Now, as I was saying, I am the online cook and I post cooking videos with ingredients. So on this YouTube channel, you will get simple recipes that you can easily try at home. After frying both sides of my turkey to attain this lovely, delicious golden brown color, it's time to take out the fried turkey from the hot oil and then proceed to the next step. I hope you've been liking this video so far. I need to tell you, you need a lot of discipline not to take a bite out of this deliciously fried, tasty turkey. Take a look at it. Anyway, let me put it aside before you get too tempted. So, I'll also be removing this hot oil from the cooker, and then I'll place my clean pot on the cooker. What I'll be doing is I'm incorporating flavors here. So I'll add some of the cooking oil I used to fry the turkey into the pot, because we're incorporating flavors. And if you try this recipe, you will love it. You will always try it. The next thing I will do is to pour in my blended or chopped onions, tomatoes, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper and cayenne pepper. Pour it into the hot oil. I really didn't need to allow the oil get hot anymore because it was already hot from the frying pan. After pouring all of these peppers and onions into the pot, I'll proceed to mix it very, very, very well. Remember, you don't want to add liquid at this point. Now it's time to add my ingredients for seasoning: some salt, white pepper, seasoning cube, curry, and thyme. I'll also proceed to add one thing that I showed you earlier and I told you to keep after mixing this up. You remember, after I scooped out the turkey into a basket, I showed you something and I said, you know what, just keep this, I'll be saving this. Now I'm going to add a little bit of that into this pot of sauce. Why do you have to add this? This is going to be the liquid in this turkey stew, so we're not adding water. Remember, like I said, we're in the business of incorporating flavors here, so you're not adding water. Just add the turkey stock, mix all of this very, very, very well, because the mixing part is also necessary. After mixing, you proceed to cover the pot and cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like after 10 minutes. At this point, you can actually just put this delicious sauce on your rice and enjoy, because it's delicious. I just tasted it and I can tell you it's delicious. But then we're not done, because the main ingredient is still not inside. And what's the main ingredient? The turkey. But I'll cook this again for another 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. We're almost done. But I need to mix very well, so you always have to mix this very, very well, just so that your sauce does not get stuck at the bottom of the pot. I just added my fried turkey, and then I'll also proceed to mix very well again, because I need everything to be properly incorporated into one another. Like I said again, I'm going to say it again. I said it earlier and I'm going to say it again. We're in the business of incorporating flavors. Don't forget. So after mixing very, very well, I'm going to be adding something which is optional, but I think you should try it if you would like to try something new and, have a taste of something different. And it's leek. Yes, leek, sliced leek, not too much, just about a quarter of a cup of leek. I just added some leek and mixing it up very well again. Now let's not forget that the turkey is already fried and properly cooked. The sauce itself is already fried and properly cooked, but we just need everything to merge into one another. So I'll cover this and cook it on medium heat for another 5 minutes. Now let me show you what it looks like after 5 minutes. Take a look at this. It's time to serve. This delicious Nigerian stew with turkey is something you should try. It is delicious, it is lovely, it is nice. Oh my goodness. Have you liked this video? Let me remind you, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. I just added a little bit more leek for color and aesthetics, because it needs to look beautiful. It needs to look beautiful. Take a look at the remaining turkey in the pots. Oh my goodness. Anyway, don't forget, good food should be enjoyed always. Bye.